Hey everyone, Emily here. Today's video is all about achieving a sleek blowout on my beautiful curly and afro hair at home in only 10 steps. I love my curls, and the most fun part of having curly hair is that you can style it in so many different ways. Today we'll straighten it as I am due to a curly haircut very soon, and I really want to see my hair length. I know what you're thinking. Can we really get those salon-worthy results without a professional? Absolutely. Follow along with the steps on the screen. Above all, you need to prep your gorgeous curls. We want our hair detangled, moisturized, and ready to take the heat. I'm using the Color Wow primer and the Cream of Nature Heat Protectant. Don't worry, I've linked everything in the description box down below and as well on the pinned comment. All this will help you to gently loosen any knots and allow you to smoothly blow dry your hair at home and keep your hair healthy and protected. To blow dry my hair, I use the Dyson with a comb attachment. I found that this is the easiest and the quickest for me. As you might have noticed, I have loads of hair and sometimes it can become a hot mess. A break here to see that length. Wow. Boom, now that the hair is dry, and I always make sure my hair is 100% dry because the last thing I want is to fry it out. I grab my flat iron. I currently use a GHD after sectioning and brushing my hair. On this step, I use two different brushes, a lovely detangling denim brush and another one with tighter bristles. In this step, you really want to avoid any brushes or tools that might be wet or contain water, which was the case of my tangle tweezer. Et voila! Wow! Now I just finished with a holding spray and I'm ready to party. What do you think? Do you prefer to see me with curly or straight hair? Let me know in the comments below.